Hi, Tiana Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you a grocery haul. This grocery haul is from Sam's. And I apologize that I have not been giving you any cleaning or DIY videos, but I am recovering from abdominal surgery. If you'd like to follow that journey, go ahead and follow my vlog channel. But let's get into this Sam's haul. Okay, I'm gonna give you a small grocery haul from Sam's. Got some apples and bananas. Gotta keep bananas in the house. And then this container of ground chicken will be 2 or 3 meals for us. We don't really eat a lot in the house, so I'll probably divide this into 3 meals. And then the salmon I can divide maybe 4 times. And then the chicken, this will last us several meals. We already had drumsticks in the deep freeze and I didn't know. So this will probably be about 3 meals. Then I got the kids some chicken sandwiches, not chicken biscuits. Pizza, Bryce loves biscuits, so these are easy in the morning to make. And these were on clearance at Sam's. They were like $3.81, so why not? Trinity likes to eat these in the morning. Pineapples for my smoothie. A quick snack for me to eat. They didn't have avocado spread, but they did have guacamole. It's pretty much the same thing, so I'll be eating avocado toast. Some more snacks for the kids, more chips. So saw someone post these on Facebook, and I saw them in Sam's when I went today. When I tell you that these are so good, these are so good. Dangerously good. They taste like a mix of caramel. It's like a mix of caramel and vanilla flavored popcorn. Really, really, really good. The mini waters for the kids because they always waste the big bottles of water. So I got the mini ones, 80 in a pack, and these were $8. Powerade for Bryce, keep the sugar levels up. And Brayden also likes to drink these too. The sugar-free Kool-Aid jammers. These were the cheapest. Actually, they didn't have any more Capri Suns. And I like these because they have less sugar, so I picked these up.
Hey babe, look what the hole I am in. I try not to think too much about what